guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another American series padlock. It's an 1100. I've picked a couple of these before. Not sure if this has got standard pins in it, and the reason being, when I say standard pins, I mean standard American pins. That's the key for it. Looks to be custom cut. It's one of the locks from kind PickME 1977, so it could have sort of custom pins, custom made pins in there. I'll pick it, gut it and show photographs afterwards. Light tension. Back to front, there's a couple of little drops on the plug as you work from the back to the front. Every now and again I may need to adjust the tension. Like I say, locked up. See how we get on. It does drop into a false set that it does not like to come out of. And that's the little false set that it doesn't like. Took its time. It does honestly go a little bit quicker than that. So I'll probably gut this one afterwards and show photographs. So that's a video of single pin picking an 1100 series American padlock from kind PickME 1977. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.